আজকের ম্যাচটি জয়লাভ করলো ইনজামামুল হক টিম।
Ladies and gentlemen, come to the final post-match presentation. What a fantastic season Tarun Shango Cricket Tournament 2024. I'm over the moon to join this grand final. I'd like to thank all the sponsors and followers, cricket lovers. A special guest, honorable special guest, cricket lovers, just a big part in the success to this fantastic and fabulous tournament. To this final match, the trophy, outstanding performance, champion Injammamul Haq team. Massive congratulations, champion team. Best of luck for the next season, Lashkarpur team. To this final match, both umpire Mr. Siddiqur Rahman Jitu and Kinchak Munshi, they have done a wonderful choice to this final action. Presented by Abdullah Shikhar. Umpire জনসরে করতালি হয়ে যাও। করুন উদীয়মান আম্পায়ার মেহেন্দিগঞ্জের গর্ব সিদ্দিকুর রহমান জিতু। অসাধারণ নৈপুণ্য দেখে